will be discussing how to go from PCOS to wellness, the myths that needs to be busted. Weight gain in PCOS could be because of, this is how I would like you to understand PCOS. Hi guys, I'm Aditi Guha and welcome back to my channel. As a nutritionist who works exclusively with women diagnosed with PCOS, I am appalled by the misinformation that is around and the amount of victim blaming that goes around with this territory. So if you are someone who has been diagnosed with PCOS or have a family member, loved one or spouse who has been diagnosed with this condition, then this video is a must watch for you. This channel is all about helping women with weight loss, hormonal balance and PCOS. And in today's video, we will be discussing how to go from PCOS to wellness, the myths that needs to be busted. PCOS myth number 1, you caused it. This is the most common thing a lot of people with PCOS feel, that they are responsible for this condition. The truth is that nobody really knows what causes PCOS. But one thing that I can tell you for sure, and a lot of health professionals will tell you, that it is not your fault. In some cases it is found to be genetic, but mostly it is hormonal. But everything that actually goes into happening is actually beyond a person's control. PCOS myth number 2. Women with PCOS can lose weight like anyone else. Women with PCOS could be eating less, working out more, and they may see zero result. This whole thing anyway of calorie in and calorie out is really oversimplified and does not for sure work with women in terms of PCOS. If you are someone who has PCOS and is struggling with weight, you must understand the root cause of it. The root cause of weight gain in PCOS could be because of insulin resistance, inflammation, and even poor gut health. And in 95% of the cases, it's actually a combination of more than one symptom. Therefore, you need to understand what is it that is causing the weight gain and solve for that. Now, if you are someone who is interested in losing weight and have PCOS, I highly recommend that you check out my weights root cause quiz, because it will not only tell you the dominant root cause, but it will also give you what nutrition, supplements and lifestyle changes that you could make for immediate result. PCOS myth number 3, PCOS can be cured. A lot of women coming to work with me often say that their PCOS has been cured, but they are still unable to lose weight. The reason some women feel that is because their cycles have probably become more regular and or they're able to conceive. Well, this is how I would like you to understand PCOS. Imagine you have a naughty child who makes a lot of noise. If that child goes to his or her bedroom and takes a nap, it might feel like there is no child at home, but that's not true, right? So sometimes the PCOS is well behaved, which might make us feel it has left the body, but that's not really the case. The next myth is everyone with PCOS is overweight. Now, I actually refer to this in this video and in this video, but the truth is that most people with PCOS could have a weight issue, but there are some people who have what is known as lean PCOS, which is due to excess testosterone in the body. So that is still a PCOS condition, but does not lead to any kind of weight gain. The next PCOS myth is that it's a rare condition. The truth is, it's known that 5 to 10% of women in the Indian subcontinent and in the US have actually been diagnosed with PCOS. But it is also believed that about 50% people are undiagnosed with this condition. So again, if you're someone who is like on the fence, don't know whether you have PCOS or don't have PCOS, you might want to check out this particular video and this, because here I talk about the hormonal imbalance signs, and that will give you a little more clarity whether you have it. Or the other thing you can do is take the weights root cause, and that will also give you some clarity. So far in this video, we have busted these myths, and if you are interested to dive more into this, you can check out the other PCOS videos that have been mentioned, and it's in the description below, and we will see you in the next video.